I got a review for AboveTEK pressure air pump, and it's 90 watts DC, 12 volts. Has a nice on and off switch, and to get it plug in, you put in your lighter to plug it in, and it comes with, this is what it looks like. And this is the extra piece. I'm not going to air up my tires because they don't need it. And there's some extra piece. I'm going to air up a bouncy ball, and you can air up bicycles with these. And I'm going to show you the length of it. There's my air thing, and this will like pop on there. And the cord is in the door, and I'm going to show you to the back. And here's my back tire, and be right there. You can just pop it in, and I'm going to demonstrate how it works. It comes with directions how to use it. It's always nice to have. And I'm going to air up my kid's ball. And just pop it in there and turn it on. And it airs up. And then it's loud. You can hear it. It kind of worked for that. I didn't want to air it up too much. And thank you for listening. Bye.